Hey there, making some breakfast here. It's just leftover summer stuff out of the garden. Got a little sweet potato, a little red potato. Got some eggplant going on here, onions, tomatoes, peppers, Cajun seasoning, some jalapenos, banana peppers, and a little salt, onions, a little bit of sausage in here. Once I get it all mixed up, wait for the eggplant to cure, soaking it in vinegar because these eggplant were kind of, or not vinegar, soaking it in salt, draw any bitterness out. Oven's preheated. You're just gonna cook it at about 425 degrees for about 45 minutes. I just cut up, you've got one sweet potato, red potatoes, and drenched them in olive oil so they don't stick to the pan. Just getting ready to put everything else in there. That eggplant ought to be ready. See, it's drawing the juice off of it. Now I'm gonna have to rinse these off because I put that's a lot of salt in there. So you're just gonna rinse them off and then pop them on top of everything else. Alright, that's our eggplant in there. It's not a lot of eggplant, but that's about it for this year. Give everything a good toss. I'm gonna put a little more Cajun seasoning on here. Now, really, with this stuff, you could put just about anything in here. I think last time I put some butternut squash in there because we had a lot of butternut squash this year. And I could probably put some more tomatoes in there. This my son has to work today, and it's my wife and mine's anniversary today, so I'm cooking. Well, I'll do most of the cooking anyway, truthfully. But make this for our breakfast, and later on we'll have salmon and asparagus, and probably these left over because we ain't gonna eat all this morning. All right, let me give it a toss up, and we'll throw it in the oven. All right, that's in the oven. Let's go sit down and watch some TV or surf the internet, drink some coffee. About, I'll check it, about 40 minutes, 45 minutes should be good. Okay, added some sausages in there. I used about not quite half a pound of Bass Farms Country sausage. That's a good local brand of sausage there. It's funny, I didn't make a video of it, but we had bought some pork belly the other day and had some leftover shoulder roast that hadn't been cooked yet to make, well, really, we were making crispy pork belly with it, but had a lot left over. Cut the ribs off, had the ribs. Anyway, ended up making sausage, and that went a long way. I didn't make a video of that, but we'll make one in the future because we had a lot of leftover. We made bacon too. I think that's the best bacon I ever had, homemade bacon. I'll do that later on, but it's sausage in there. Still waiting on the eggplant. It's got to sit for probably about another 15 minutes to draw the bitterness out. And then you're just going to add the tomatoes and peppers over top of it. Pop it in the oven. I would have got some rosemary to go in there, but it's like 5 o'clock in the morning here and it's still dark out. I'm not wandering around the garden out there at night to get rosemary. We got seen several snakes out there this year, and I don't need to be out there in the dark walking around in my shorts just to get a couple of sprigs of rosemary. So I'm just doing the Cajun seasoning in here. Alright, that's it. Nice sizzling breakfast modified ratatouille looking thing. Be good. Everybody should be getting up here shortly. It's about 6:45 maybe, something like that. Alright, that's it guys. Till next time. Thank you. Take care. Please like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, all that. Have a great day.